We are the design and manufacturing company for electric vehicles. You're talking about anybody that manufactures forklift type products. And in the auto industry, measuring the color of the products that are inside the car, the seats, the paint, the dashboards, all of those things to where you can make sure that that's consistent. And we create custom solutions for people to make their jobs easier. We distribute all over the United States. We've branched into Canada as well as in South America. The basic principle that our company has always centered on was using technology as a way to grow. And that's where SAP played their key part, is that what they enable us to do is, from a technology standpoint, is to do functions automatically. Now we can actually create the sales order, and with 2 other keystrokes, we create a PO. Within seconds, we can have an order, and it's done. We've been leveraging a lot of the stuff that SAP's been able to offer so that we can increase our efficiency. SAP makes that a whole lot easier for me. Vision 33, I don't want to smile too much, but I'm going to say that they have been so good to us from the standpoint of support, from the standpoint of hearing what we needed and providing that. They actually have CPAs on their staff, and we were talking the same language, and we were able to get everything situated the way it needed to be. I mean, they have been essential in helping us grow. We were working with Vision 33 and we didn't have to go anywhere. We were already on the cloud. We came out this year with a whole new suite of engineering services. Version 10 of SAP Business One has opened the door for all of that. We as a company have benefited a lot by having SAP Business One. It's big and it's robust, and our customers are big and robust. We're talking the same language.